We removed the motherboard for bench testing and used a known working Epson board from a different model to narrow the fault. The projector displayed a ballast error light, a result that suggests a ballast or lamp drive fault, although board compatibility issues can complicate interpretation. After obtaining a compatible test board from a colleague, we were able to confirm that the original motherboard was functional and that the ballast was the root cause of the lamp drive errors. To access the ballast, it is necessary to remove the block lens assembly, since the power supply and ballast modules are stacked within the optical block. You may choose to replace the complete stack or to remove and replace only the ballast module from the bottom, but care must be taken with high voltage capacitors and the lamp wiring. When performing this work, label connectors and keep screws organized to simplify reassembly, and observe safe handling of charged capacitors. Ballast and lamp controller failures are commonly associated with unstable mains supply. Many installations run projectors from generators without voltage stabilizers, and repeated voltage fluctuations can damage the lamp controller over time. Where site power is variable,